Animals have a great importance in our life. The balance of ecosystem would go down to drain if animals started disappearing from Earth. The day dedicated to animals for making people aware of the world about the role of animals in our life. World Animal Day is a global observance day celebrated on 4th October. The annual celebration of World Animal Day has the global objective of uniting people for advocating the welfare of animals. We share the world with the other organisms as well. Hence, it is our responsibility to make the earth a better place for living for the animals. The relation between humans and animal species is crucial for our existence. Animals provide us with several natural resources. We must show our gratitude towards animals and their contributions in our life by putting an end to animal cruelty. Excessive animal cruelty has already degraded Earth more than we can imagine. Animal activists worldwide celebrate World Animal Day by organizing campaigns and rallies to promote the well-being of animals and wildlife. Animal testing is some of the harshest forms of torture, and it is the time we protest against such cruelty by banning those products to be tested on animals. Animals poaching, hunting, deforestation, pollutions have caused the extinction of hundreds of species. Each year, 24 animal species are getting extinct, and several others pushed to verge of extinction because of our carelessness and cruelty. In our Earth, there are 8.7 million species. More than 900 species have gone extinct over the last 500 years. Animals become extinct due to the habitat loss, lack of food, hunting, pollution, climate change, and overconsumption. Extinct animals are animal species that have stopped breeding, died, and no longer exist. The moment the last living species die is understood as the time of its extinction. Here are some examples of extinct animals: dinosaurs, woolly mammoth, dodo, West African black rhinoceros, saber-toothed tiger, and so on. To prevent these extinctions of animals, there are very simple ways. Let's see what are they. Educate your family about the endangered species in your area. Recycle and buy sustainable products. Reduce your water consumption. Do not buy plastic products. Volunteer your time to protect the wildlife in your area.